Okay, today we're doing lesson 23 and it's more division but larger dividends. So in this first one, 1A, we'll do two together and then you can work on it. Let's remember first our steps to long division. We divide, dad, M, multiply, which is mom, sister, subtract, brother, bring down, and then C, cat. We compare what we have left over to see if we need to do the process over again. So don't forget your steps and long division. So I'm thinking 9, I can't divide that by 41, but 99, I'm thinking, oh, I know that 41 and 41, that would be 82, which is fairly close. So I'm going to put 2. Then I'm going to do my next step. 2 times 41 is 82. I'm going to subtract here. And I get 17. I'm comparing. Oh, yeah. I'm bring down my 6. Compare. I'm going to bring down my 6. Now I have 176 divided by 40. I'm going to count up by 4s to see how I get close to that. 4, 8, 12... 16, 20. Oops, I'm going to go with 16. So 4 times 4 is 16. So I'm going to go with 4. 4 times 41. Okay, 4 times 41 is 164 multiplied. I'm going to subtract. I get 12, and then I'm going to bring down my last 2. Now I'm looking at 122, I'm thinking, oh, 4, 8, 12, that's close, so I'm going to say 3. 3 times 41 is, oh no, 3 times 41 is 123, so I'm going to have to go down, I'm going to have to go back to dividing by 2. So I made a mistake. It's okay, you might make mistakes too. So let's just erase this 3 up here, okay, and let's put a 2, and try that. 2 times 41 is 82, so I'm going to have kind of a large remainder here, but it's not going to be over 41. Okay, so my remainder is very close. My remainder is 40, but not 41. Okay, so if you ever get into that situation, all you have to do is go back to that step, and that's okay. 2 times 41 is 82, so we have a remainder of 40. Okay, I'm going to do F for you, and F is 5,821 divided by 62. Okay, 58 can't be divided by 62, so I have to go to 582. So I'm thinking to myself, oh, I'm going to round to 60. I'm kind of estimating. I'm 6, 12, 6 times what? And so that's how you can estimate how many 62s it will take to get close to 582. Okay, stop the video for a few minutes here and just see if you can work through this. And then once you finish, look back to see how I finished my problem. Okay, I put 9 there, and I was thinking because 9 times 6 is 54, so I'm going to try that and see if that works. Now, so I divided, now I need to multiply. 9 times 62 is 558. My next step is sister. I need to subtract this. Okay, see that I have 24 after I subtract, then I'm going to bring down my 1, and I'm going to start the process again. I'm going to multiply, I'm going to divide, multiply. I won't need to bring down because I've already brought down my last number. So, okay, I was thinking about my last problem and this problem. I'm thinking, oh, 4 times 6 is 24, but then we have 2, 2, 2, 2. I think maybe that's not going to work, so I'm going to go with 3 and see if that works. Okay, when we multiply 3 times 62, we get 186. So I'm going to subtract here, and then I'm going to see if I have less than 62 for my remainder. Okay, I get 55. That's less than 62, so my remainder is going to be 55. Now remember, when you're checking this, I didn't go over that in the first one, you're going to have 93 times 62, and then your answer, which we would and then you're going to add in your 55, okay? And then you should get here your dividend, 5,821. That's how you check it. Okay, number 2 is a word problem on your homework today. It says, a political gathering in South America was attended by 7,910 people. I think that's probably going to be the number I'm going to need to divide because I'm working on division. Each of the South American 14 countries was equally represented. That means they all sent the same amount of people. How many representatives attended from each country? So you know how to set that up. 7,910 people divided by 14 countries. That's how many each country sent to the South America political gathering. So I think you can do that one yourself, but stop the video and I will do the problem and then you can come back and check it after you finish it. Okay, then if you do your problem, you can check over mine. I might have made mistakes. Email me if I make any mistakes on these videos. I need to know, Ethan, so I can correct my mistakes. And you could say that each country was able to send, each of the 14 countries sent 565 people to represent their country at this gathering in South America. Okay? Okay, number 3, I'm kind of still thinking division because that's what we're working on. So let's see. But we never want to get tricked, right? A candy company packages caramel into containers that hold 32 fluid ounces. So each of these containers contain 32 ounces. In the last batch, 1,848 fluid ounces of caramel were made. So they made that much caramel. How many containers are needed for this batch? Okay, so they'll need to know how many containers, and I don't know, let's see if they had any of the caramel left over. Okay, so then you would do your problem, set it up, 1,848 divided by 32. Stop the video, do your problem, and see how many containers they needed for this batch of caramel. Okay, so I'm thinking about this problem, and they needed 17 containers, and then they had some caramel left over that would not fill up a container. So the 24 ounces they had left over, maybe they'll let Ethan eat it. Okay, so anyway, there's your homework for today. Talk to you later. Bye.